Saturday today and we have come to the uni. Very strange, I don't think I've ever been here on a Saturday, but if you watched my last vlog, I basically decided to change my dissertation topic. So I have a lot of stuff to do, so I thought I would come and just like brainstorm for a few hours and see if I think of anything. And Danny is also here keeping me company, doing his work. So yeah, we just picked up a coffee and we've got some snacks. And we're actually going to the pub after this, so that's what we're watching. I feel very stressed right now. I don't know why. I'm trying to calm down a bit and try to be more relaxed, but I feel really stressed. I just finished getting ready for the pub. Sometimes I feel like if I've got my hair up and then my fringe out that I look like a boy, basically. But I'm just gonna keep it like this. I'll probably regret it. We are going to the pub again to watch the rugby. I feel like I am kind of getting deja vu from the last vlog, but it is Scotland versus Wales, I think, this weekend. And we do have a seat this time, thankfully, because last week we had to stand, which was a bit annoying. But we were at uni for quite a few hours and I did eventually, I think, kind of think of an idea, but I don't know. I feel like I wasted quite a few hours because I didn't think of this thing until literally the last like 10 minutes we were there, which is a bit annoying, but I just keep thinking that at least I did something, because I do not usually really do any uni work at the weekend because I like to give myself a break, but I also do give myself multiple breaks during the week as well. But at least I did something. I'm really trying not to stress too much about it, but obviously I feel like at this point I would have liked to have already kind of started writing it, and I kind of feel like I'm back at the start, which is not great. But because of strikes this semester, I don't really have a lot else going on aside from my dissertation. I also still have another class and work to do for that, but a lot of the actual classes are cancelled because of the strikes, so it gives me a bit more time to focus on my dissertation. But we have quite a fun weekend going on. We have quite a lot of plans. So obviously we're watching the rugby today, and then tomorrow is the Super Bowl, and we usually kind of have like a mini Super Bowl party with some of Danny's friends, so we're still doing that tomorrow. So we've got a lot to do with that, and on Monday we're going to London, so I have a lot of prep and packing to do, which I like haven't even thought about doing, but you know, it's kind of fun and I'm excited to go to London. Who do you think's gonna win? No, pose. Pose. Wait, Danny! My parents just came to collect Bones because they're looking after him while we're in London, and I feel so sad not having him here, but we're about to walk to Morrison's right now to get everything we need for the Super Bowl tonight. We need to make a list. I'm also going to try get an Instagram photo because I rarely get photos anymore, and I used to literally go out like every single day and get a photo, and I just don't do that anymore. Obviously it's not very important, but I feel like I just want to get more photos. I don't know. But it's already like 3:30 and I haven't done anything. And my camera's flashing now. I haven't ticked off anything on my list of things to do, so there is probably going to be a big rush this evening, but obviously the Super Bowl doesn't start until like 11, so we still have a bit of time. Hi! Wait, this might be the grumpy cat I've seen before.
That was close.
How many? One?
One. I think one's okay.
I don't wanna be another savior on the internet.
I'm rushing a bit because everyone is about to be here, and I completely forgot that I wanted to do my nails because they don't look very good right now, and I really wanted to paint them red. So I'm going to try and do this as quick as I can, but I just have this like UV lamp that I bought a few months ago. Okay, I just finished my nails and they look really terrible, but do you know what, I just don't care, and hopefully maybe the excess stuff will come off at some point. I don't know, but someone's just arrived, so we're just having this.
In the last 6 months.
I've just cut up some cauliflower for cauliflower wings. We also have some chicken and some hot dogs for food, but I've already eaten so many crisps that I don't even feel hungry anymore.
Do you think Juliet looks pretty right now? Hashtag like and subscribe if you think Juliet looks pretty.
Everyone's gonna unsubscribe now. We had quite a few people cancel on our little gathering, so we're definitely gonna have way too much food, and we bought lots of snacks as well, which have
filled you right up.
Yeah, I ate too much. It always happens. If you put the snacks in front of me, I'm gonna eat them. I also made 2 cocktails of 2 of the team colours, and they seem to be going down well. I have a very red face from them, even though I've only had like 1, but I always get a red face even if I just have like 1 glass of alcohol. I don't know why, but my face is very warm. I'm also very tired. It's already 11:30. This only just started and I'm like, I kinda need to go to my bed.
Since I used that shit.